Veneers are a way to change the shape, the position, and the color of a tooth. And ideally, with the veneer, you try to take away as little tooth structure as you can. Because with today's porcelains, you can make them thin, very strong. They can hide color, and yet they look translucent. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. With a veneer, it's almost like a porcelain fingernail that you lay over the tooth. Now you don't want it to show in between, so you have to go along the side. And then you also don't want to see the edge, so you cover over the edge. Porcelain veneers are quite durable. I have ones that I've done right after I got out of dental school that are still, working, servicing people. But even the ones that were made 10 or 15 years ago, with the changes in the porcelains, there are better ones out there. So the technology really has arrived. They're very lifelike.